Google Chrome is the most popular browser in the world, and chances are you're already using it. It's made by Google, and it's designed to be fast, simple, and work perfectly with Google services like YouTube, Gmail, and Google Docs. The reason Chrome became so big is because it just works. It loads pages quickly, supports almost every website perfectly, and has a massive library of extensions that let you customize it however you want. But there is a downside. Chrome uses a lot of RAM, especially if you open many tabs, and it also collects a lot of user data since it's tied to Google. So while it's the easiest and most reliable option for most people, it's not the best if you care about privacy or performance on weaker PCs. Because of this, many people still use it daily simply because it's the default choice across most devices and platforms. Microsoft Edge is basically Chrome's biggest competitor, but here's the twist. It's actually built on the same engine as Chrome, which means it behaves very similarly in terms of speed and compatibility. The difference is that Edge is optimized better for Windows, so it usually uses less RAM and battery compared to Chrome. Microsoft also added features like vertical tabs, built-in AI tools, and better integration with Windows. It's kind of like Chrome, but more efficient. And a lot of people ignore Edge because of its old reputation, but the modern version is actually very good. It's a solid choice if you want Chrome performance, but slightly better efficiency. It also comes pre-installed on Windows, which is why many users end up trying it without even downloading anything. Firefox is completely different from Chrome and Edge. It's made by Mozilla, a nonprofit organization, and its main focus is privacy and user control. Firefox uses its own engine, which means it's not based on Chrome like most modern browsers. Because of this, it sometimes behaves differently on certain websites, but it also gives you more freedom. Firefox blocks trackers by default, gives you more customization options, and doesn't collect as much data as Chrome. The downside is that it can be slightly slower on some websites, especially ones optimized for Chrome. But if you care about privacy and independence, Firefox is one of the best options out there. It's also one of the few browsers keeping competition alive against Chrome-based browsers. Internet Explorer, or IE, is basically a piece of internet history at this point. It was once the most used browser in the world, but now it's completely outdated and officially discontinued. It was slow, insecure, and couldn't keep up with modern web standards. Microsoft replaced it with Edge, and today you should not be using Internet Explorer at all. It's only still around in some businesses for compatibility reasons, but for normal use, it's basically dead. If you see someone using IE in 2026, that's a red flag. Most modern websites don't even support it anymore, which makes it unusable for everyday browsing. Opera GX is a browser made specifically for gamers, and it's very different from normal browsers. It has a unique design with RGB style colors and a gaming aesthetic, but the real feature is control. Opera GX lets you limit how much CPU and RAM the browser uses, which is great if you're gaming and don't want your browser slowing down your PC. It also has built-in features like Discord integration, Twitch, and even a gaming news feed. It's not the fastest browser overall, but it's very unique and fun to use. If you like customizing everything and want a gaming vibe, Opera GX is a solid choice. It's more about experience and style rather than pure performance. Safari is Apple's browser, and it's only available on Apple devices like iPhones, iPads, and Macs. It's designed to be extremely efficient, which means it uses less battery and runs very smoothly on Apple hardware. Safari is also very focused on privacy, blocking trackers, and limiting data collection. The reason it's so good on Apple devices is because it's optimized specifically for them. However, outside of the Apple ecosystem, Safari isn't really an option. It also doesn't have as many extensions as Chrome, but if you're using an iPhone or Mac, Safari is usually the best performing browser you can use. That tight integration is what makes it feel faster and smoother than most alternatives on Apple devices. It also syncs perfectly across all Apple devices using iCloud. Samsung Browser is similar to Safari, but for Samsung phones. It's optimized for Samsung devices and comes pre-installed on many of them. It's actually surprisingly good, with features like built-in ad blockers, dark mode, and smooth performance. It also supports extensions, which is rare for mobile browsers. Even though many people switch to Chrome on their phones, Samsung Browser is a strong alternative if you want something optimized for your device with extra features built in. It's one of the few mobile browsers features that feels like a full desktop experience. It also has very smooth scrolling and video playback, which makes everyday use feel premium. Another nice feature is its built-in video assistant that makes watching videos easier and cleaner. Brave is a browser focused almost entirely on privacy. It blocks ads and trackers by default, which makes websites load faster and keeps your data more secure. But what makes Brave unique is its reward system. It lets you earn cryptocurrency by viewing privacy-friendly ads, which is something no other browser really does. Brave is also based on Chrome, so it works with Chrome extensions and websites without issues. It's basically Chrome, but with built-in ad blocking and privacy features. If you want a fast browser that protects your data without needing extra setup, Brave is one of the best choices. Because of this, many users switch to it as a direct replacement for Chrome. It also reduces clutter on websites since most ads are removed automatically. Vivaldi is a browser made for people who love customization. It's based on Chrome, but it gives you way more control over how everything looks and works. You can move tabs anywhere, change layouts, customize shortcuts, and basically design your browser exactly how you want it. It also includes built-in tools like Notes, a calendar, and even email. The downside is that it can feel overwhelming because there are so many options. But if you like tweaking everything and want full control, Vivaldi is one of the most powerful browsers you can use. It's perfect for advanced users who want everything in one place. You can even stack and group tabs in ways that no other browser really allows. This makes it extremely useful for people who work with many tabs at once. DuckDuckGo browser is all about privacy and simplicity. It's made by the same company as the DuckDuckGo search engine, and its goal is to protect your data as much as possible. It blocks trackers, doesn't store your browsing history, and even has a fire button that instantly clears everything. It's very clean and easy to use, but it's also more limited compared to other browsers. You won't get as many features or extensions, but that's kind of the point. It's designed to be simple and private, not overloaded with extras. It's ideal for people who want a no thinking needed private browsing experience. It's especially good as a secondary browser just for private searches. It also shows you a privacy grade for each website you visit. If you want the safest and easiest option, go with Chrome. It works everywhere, supports everything, and you'll never really run into issues. If you want the best balance between performance and features, Edge is probably the smartest choice right now, like especially on Windows since it's more efficient. And if you care about privacy the most, go with Brave because it blocks ads and trackers automatically without needing to install anything. Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to watch some of my other videos.